Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Figma, design and collaborate in the cloud step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type figma.com in the address bar and press enter. On the top right, click Login. Choose how you want to sign in, email, Google, or Apple. If you already have a Figma account, select the same method you used when you created it. For email login, enter your email address in the email field. Type your password carefully in the password field. Click Login to continue. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset link sent to your email. For Google login, click Continue with Google. Select the correct Google account from the list or add another account if needed. Review the permissions prompt and click Continue to allow access. For Apple login, click Continue with Apple. Enter your Apple ID email and password, then complete any verification prompts. If Figma asks for a verification code, open your email and copy the code. Return to the Figma tab and paste the code to confirm your login. After logging in, you will land on the Figma dashboard in your browser. If you prefer the desktop app, go to figma.com/downloads in a new tab. Download the correct version for Windows or Mac OS and install it. Open the Figma desktop app and click Login. Sign in using the same method you used on the website so your files sync automatically. On the dashboard, click New Design File to create a fresh project. To collaborate, click Share in the top right of your file. Enter a teammate's email address in the invite field. Choose their permission level, like can view or can edit. Click Send Invite to share the file instantly in the cloud. To join a team workspace, accept an invitation link from your email and sign in if prompted. If you have multiple workspaces, use the workspace switcher to select the right team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.